This gorgeous new 1.5 acre custom-built home on horse property with full irrigation with 4-bedroom and 2.5 bath that is located at the end of the road from 2 other custom homes with no HOA in Buckeye, Arizona. Approaching the property from your neighbor's block wall comes to the home paver concrete driveway combination. The beautiful front door will welcome your guest. The living room opens to the kitchen, which features upgrades, quartz countertops, and beautiful white shaker cabinets and a large island for hosting large gatherings. The home has high ceilings throughout with extra room off the living room that can be used for an office and or extra bedroom if desired. The large master bathroom features his and hers area with each one's vanity in their own space. A wet bath and soaking tub and shower combination with the rainfall shower heads. The 3-car garage was designated to fit a total of 4 cars. The outside wraparound porch is great for entertaining. The yard has a room for a pool if desired and a septic tank that is on the side of the home, not in the backyard. Don't forget the animals and toys are welcome here. The private lot has ultimate potential and is only 5-minute drive off the I-10 and Jackrabbit Road. Home is move-in ready for you today. Realtors bring your buyers for 1% commission.